Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So igame elandelayo Orlando Pirates iyodlala against iSikhukhune United bayodlala eOrlando Stadium ngomgqibelo ngo5:30. Le game izobe ibaluleke kakhulu for Abdeslam Wadu. So lana ngizoshayelana prediction yegame ezodlala. Ngizokhipha iskim sami engenzeka sidlale. Mase ngithola ithuba ibona abadlali abengabadlalisa. Wena wangitshela eyakho ilana prediction kuma comments ungayigxeke yami but ungitshela ukuthi wena ngokwakho ungafaka bapha abadlali ungibhalele eyakho ilana prediction kuma comments. Nayi eyami ilana prediction. First and foremost, epalini ngaqalisa bani ngaqalisa uSipho Chain. Bafethu kuSipho Chain siyamazi, yes umjida uyaye ashawa inkinga zokuvimba ibhola ahamba phezulu. Yashawa nje inkinga zokuvimba amabhola ahamba phezulu okoma set piece. Ama set piece umjida akusizona izinto ajwayele ukuyivimba kahle but ke kule game samdinga ngempela umjida abe ku A game yakhe. Yes, we saw him against Polokwane City. He was really good with those set pieces. He really came out of his box and caught those balls abehamba phezulu. I hope ukuthi ukumbona eqhubeka enza the same thing against iSikhukhune United because they have tall players who know how to use their head. Abadlali abanjengo Bradley Grobler nje bafethu osinikeza inkinga lapha. Ama defenders wethu nawo kumele akwazi ukumaka labadlali laba abangabanikeza ithuba lokuthi babe free around our box. Sipho Chain must command that area bafethu. Iyona nje into engicala kuyena akwazi ukugada amabhola ahamba phezulu because those are one of our weakest points kwi defense yethu. Asikwazi ukuvimba amabhola ahamba phezulu. Masukuthi ama center backs wami ale game esoyidlala bafethu against iSikhukhune yakusasa ngaqalisa bani ngaqalisa umbekezeli Mbokazi with uSipho Chain. Not uSipho Chain man uSibisi. Ngaqalisa umbekezeli Mbokazi with uSibisi bafethu captain wethu. Captain and the vice captain. Yes, I know our defenders are short but at the moment this center back pairing is really working for Orlando Pirates. Yabo so nje isebenzela so I'll start these two guys. Wangitshela ama comments when waqalisa ba yes I saw Nda he's back in training, he's training with the team but he's trying to recover. Yabo umjida watholile ama friendly games. Samdinga ngempela kune game ebalekile Orlando Pirates ezoyidlala next week. So I would like to see him maybe sebenchini noma eqala igame next week. But I would like to see him get ama minutes kule game le. So ngajabula futhi ukumbona ebenchini kule game esoyidlala ke seSikhukhune. Athi ukuthola ama minutes kancane umjida sithi sizame ukumfaka kuma games because we need Olisanda. Maybe in the second leg we might see Olisanda starting for Orlando Pirates game with the Sundowns but we have to focus on this game against the Sikhukhune United. Which players do we feel ubani la abazitholela 3 points? So ngokwami these two center backs are the right choice for me to get us 3 points against the Sikhukhune United. Go to the right wing back position. The right wing back position, it's a complicated position. I don't want to lie. It's a position Orlando Pirates engakayenzi imark kuyona because when you look at that position, we have other players like Ushan, we have players like Van Rooyen, we have players. There are new players, Mashilioni from Baroka FC. I don't know much about that player, but I know that he can play that position. I saw him playing we preseason. The boy is good, but again we have a new player, Spelebele. For me, I would put Van Rooyen in that position. We game against this Sikhukhune United. We have players like Omakhalwa, they are really relentless. Yabo bazokuthatha Omakhalwa afethu. So playing Ushandu, a player like Ushandu, I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but I don't think Ushandu akwazi ukumelana nomdlalo njengoMakhalwa. But when I look at Van Rooyen has that speed. Van Rooyen uzokwazi ukumesha ipace yaMakhalwa. Van Rooyen uzokwazi ukumaka umdlalo njengoMakhalwa. Another player Spelebele can play that position. So if I didn't choose Van Rooyen, I would have chosen Uspelebele. Spelebele knows how to mark, he knows how to go up front and add the numbers phambili, same as Van Rooyen. Masukuthi ki left back position, I don't want to complicate things. I would put Deon Hoto, but Deon Hoto will add that about defensive structure kule position aphinda add ama numbers phambili. Umjidi uyakwazi ukunavigate kule side la left akwazi ukuya phambili add ama numbers mase uthi left winga yethu izama ukudrifta inside add ama numbers in that forward position. Mase kuthi unumber 6 wami defensive midfielder engayiqalisa abafethu Sihle so Sihle he has that commanding ability. He knows how to handle team. Yabo unaleyo leadership eswini umjida. So ngamqalisa kule game le bafethu uMakehleni Makhawula currently he's not fit to play. So umjida okhona right now ozidlalelayo ubani uSihle. So I would put uSihle mfethu. Ngangitshela ama comments wena uba ngamdlalisa but so far umjida wangimpress against Polokwane City. Let's see against iSikhukhune ukuthi uzodlala kanjani. He will be playing against the strongest guys abakhona kule game. Sekhukhune United phela bafethu inesisa siqine impela. So isisa nje wasiqinile kumele senze sure ukuthi nathi sifaka abadlali abaqinile. Sihle Nduli, I would like to see ukuthi ubehave kanjani when you play against one of the strongest guys. Miguel Team was released by Orlando Pirates. Miguel Team uzofuna ukuprove ukuthi why Orlando Pirates yamrelease. So he will be playing against this guy omreleasile because ukhamba wateam ofikwamdlela phela isikhala sakhe umshita lo. So kumele amkhombise uteam ukuthi why Orlando Pirates imsayinile uSihle Nduli. So ngilindele olukhulu from uSihle Nduli kule game le. Ngifuna siwinile nje 3 points, simple as that. Akwazi ukubabulala labadlali abadlala iswin for iSekhukhune United. Mase kuthi abadlali abazodlala phambi kwakho uSihle Nduli bafethu, I don't want to change the midfield. If you saw in midfield last game, the midfield last game bafethu ibikanje, yebo ibikwa nje bengadingakala izinto eziningi. Yabo abajida bebe connect Tito Maswanganye Nsipho Mbule, those guys they know how to play like ngathi umuntu oyedwa indlela abadlala ngakhona. Yabo what I like about Tito Maswanganye is that kind of player that you need in your team. Yabo is that player that you need in your team, because when you look at Tito Maswanganye, you cannot put Tito Maswanganye second half. Ngiyaza kunikeze lutho Tito Maswanganye second half. Umdlali lo uzoqalela igame ozokwazi ukuyicontrol itempo yegame. And wadlala neteam njenge Sekhukhune eswini siqinile nje siqinile Sekhukhune eswini. Tito Maswanganye, he is likely to get fouled. When he get fouled, leyo nto inikeza iSekhukhune United ipressure. Tito Maswanganye mene ball, Tito Maswanganye ibhola ulihola kakhulu. Leyo nto idala ukuthi ama-team adlala nawo amfoul kakhulu. So ngiyayithanda into kanjalo. So ngamqalisa uTito Maswanganye just to add that unaleyo nto nje futhi ukuscreatela ama-fouls nje futhi. Yabo ama-team edlala nawo avela amlimaza umjita mase sithola ama-free kicks. So ngamqalisa abafethu mina uTito. With uSipho Mbule, I don't want to talk a lot about uSipho Mbule. This guy knows ibhola abafethu. Ibhola luyena. He is football. He is football. I would start uSipho Mbule in that number 8 position, and in that number 10 position I would start with Tito Maswanganye, and number 6 kube uSihle Nduli. Masukuthi ku right winger position, I'll start Osuna Police. Osuna Police really impressed me the last game we played against Polokwane City. The boy was very, very, very good. He was relentless. He's a star player. He is the reason why Orlando Pirates imsayinile. So kule game le, I want to see him terrorizing the defense here eSekhukhune United. So umshita, I'll start him as a right winger. Masukuthi lapha ka left winger position, I'll start ulumshita Mfokeng. Yes, I'll start Mfokeng. I don't really know if Osuna Police usepholile, but I saw him training with the team. I remember when we played against Polokwane City, washesha waphuma because ngathi wathinteka kancane. I don't know, maybe amajaqamba, but yeah, I think umshito say right now. So ka left winger aqalisa Mfokeng. I don't want to talk a lot about Mfokeng futhi umshito uyalazi. Last game when we played against Polokwane City, I saw a lot of critics criticizing Mfokeng ukuthi no man, Mfokeng didn't really hit the ground against Polokwane City. He was not himself. Yes, you as Mfokeng mina, I can tell ukuthi umchita he has done a lot for Orlando Pirates last season. Right now, he is giving room for the new guys to show ukuthi why they were signed. You cannot try to outshine the new guys. As Mfokeng, I understood ukuthi okay, akamele enza kakhulu man. There are people right now who know how to play ibhola, who know how to play like yena Mfokeng. So angimele enze umsebenzi omningi, akumele agqilazeke umfana omncane, dlala ibhola nje, simple as that. So kule game le ngamqalisa mina Mfokeng as i-left winger. Ungangitshela ama-comments wayedlala kanjani Mfokeng last game ngokwakho, but for me umjida wangidlalela nje ibhola elisimple, akabozanga akenzanga izinto eziningi, but nje he was playing good football. Yabo yonke esidingayo, good football. You want to create chances up front, we want to win big games. That's all. Mase kuthi striker sami ngaqalisa abafethu uMakgopa. The reason why I'm starting uMakgopa, when we look at the last game that we played, yes, Radio Pane played very good. Radio Man played very good, but when you look at the game that we are going to play, when you look at the team that we are going to play, it's a team that likes to play ibhola kancane emuva. They are not good when they are playing ibhola emuva. That is why I'm putting uMakgopa up front. uMakgopa, he will add lapho uzoya ayofaka ipressure. uMakgopa, that is what I like about uMakgopa. Uyakwazi ukuyifaka ipressure acindezele ama-club. Yabo, so iyona lineup yami le bafethu. Epaleni Sipho Chain, Mbokazi and Spisi. Mase kuthi right wing back ubu Van Rooyen. Mase kuthi left wing back ubu Hotho. Sihle Nduli as number 6. Number 8 uSipho Mbule. Mase kuthi number 10 kubu Tito. Right winger ngifake bani, ngifake Osuna Police. left wing ngangifaka 4K mase ukuthi up front all play with Makgopo ngangitshela yakhe lena prediction